no gold is not enough.
Good morning, people. How are you guys today? Hope you guys have an amazing days. We start the day with what are those? What are those? What are those? What are those? What are those for the breakfast? What is that? Ta-da! Hi Simba. Hi Simba Shan. Hi. It's so sad. What are you doing? Oh, what are those? Whoa. What is that? Whatever it is, it looks so yummy. Oh my gosh. Oh, what are those? Oh my gosh. That is so delicious. And the secret sauce. And still, we don't know yet what it is. What we are going to cook. What is the menu for the day? Basically, just a hot sauce there. Oh, some sauce, some more. Some more sauce. That's fancy. Whatever it is, I still don't know what it is. Bear with me, guys. Wow, that bubbling. That's amazing. That's when you know a nice meal is ready. What it is? What it is? Oh my God! It's a vermicelli. Vermicelli. Oh yeah. Basically, these are rice noodle, guys. I'm making it too dramatic. Wow. It looks so yummy. Some dark soy sauce, just for the coloring. Some oyster sauce, I think. Yeah, it is. And stir it. Basically, it's done already. So, only eggs and chicken meat. Yeah, guys. You can add whatever vegetable that you want, that you like as a garnishing. But this is what we get. And I'm going to fry some of the fish ball that we bought yesterday. Right, our rice noodle is done already, and we are going to have our little breakfast. And after this, we are waiting for the sun to brighten enough and shine our road, so that the road is not a little bit slippery, so that we can walk and go through, so not get stuck like yesterday. All right, let's have breakfast together. This is our breakfast. You wanna tell them how is it taste?
Yummy.
you haven't tasted yet.
Memanglah sedap, saya yang masak. Kalau sedap tidak sedap, semua sedap, guys.
Yeah.
Bersyukur, guys.
Yeah.
Kita boleh makan.
Be thankful, huh?
Be thankful.
Yep. How about combo with the fish ball?
Just fish ball, guys.
Yes, we love it. And you know what it is. It's nice, it's yummy, it's delicious. Right, we're going to eat and see you guys after this. Oh, this is nice breakfast. The taste is very simple, and I like it. It goes well with the to the fish ball. Wow, even a simple meal is like so good. Oh my god. Mmm. Oh yeah. I love it. Wow. See you guys after this. I gotta eat, man. Please, y'all. Let's move it. Let's get some palm oil. Alright. Trying to reverse now. A little bit. If you guys can see, there's a track, tire marking, and what my wife doing is adjust a bit over there on the left, so it get more grip later on. All right.
Wow.
Mình tại anh kan jauh nyenang kan nyenang mana?
Oh yes, bulan. Yes.
Woohoo!
Wah, masif sini tadi guys. Terus yang sedikit. Kamera guys. Wow. Kamera.
we drive. Let's go have some fun.
Ini sawit mak guys. Mak gue guys. Now, now, let's go guys. Apa tidak membuatnya? Aku pindah ini. Saya dapat guys. Ini kenapa sedih? Apa tidak dia datang dia camp.
See guys, they repaired the avalanche yesterday. Yesterday avalanche we sent. I hope they repair it. Look so dangerous. And now it's 3:23, and look, somebody just eat their lunch. Combo rice and vermicelli and salted egg chicken. Wow, fancy. Whoa, cool. Let's see. Is it here? We down there. Oh my god, the rock is so terrible.
Oh my god. Alam na mainan pa. Walang repair guys. So, troke.
Drop, oh?
Tanah merah. Gimana nih guys? Kita turun ke atau mereka dulu?
Suruh.
Pakalaan. Saya pindah ke na yun. Turun tuh tanah sebelah sana guys. Yang sini guys. Tanah merah nih. Beli mati ko na yan. Ada batu-batu juga.
The avalanche is good on the left.
Agak membesarkan jalan guys.
We stop here on top of the mountain, kind of mountain, but it's not a mountain, it's a hill. We always stop here to get a decent line, but it's not a good enough line to upload a video for you guys. We just hang out here and get some line for a while. Just want to stop here and give you guys this beautiful view. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Just love it. And the wind is start strong now. Now it's what time, Yang? 5 p.m. And that mountain view is so amazing. That is a mountain that we see from our farm there. Yes, and our mom's place. Alright, let's move on.
Hujan mulai turun, guys.
And it stopped. At certain place only.
Stop again.
Yeah, stop again. Certain place.
Gelap sudah.
Oh, that mountain just now.
Yes, this
That is the mountain. It all covered by the cloud already because it's going to rain. Heavy rain
Yes.
tonight. And safely home. And raining. It's raining. Mr. Toby's there. You guys want to eat? So basically this is where we fishing that day. So I got this from top of our house. There's a river here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. And comment down below. We like to hear from you. Don't forget to turn on that bell icon on the left so that you can get notified for new video from us that we upload. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you guys again next time. Peace out.